Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. So guys, today we are going to be doing a reading on third party situations. So if your person is in a third party and or has kept you in a third party situationship, then let's see what is going to happen next. So what are they thinking about you and about them? So what action are they going to take about you and about them? So let's move on guys, and let's take a few cards and let's see what's happening with you and them. What are they feeling for them, what are they feeling for you, and what's going to happen next. Okay guys, so let's see. Do not forget to subscribe my channel guys, like, share and comment. Okay guys, so let's see what is your person thinking about you and the third party. Okay, so these cards are for you guys, and let's see what your person is thinking about the third party. Okay, so these are the cards for the third party. More cards do want to come out guys, so I'm going to shuffle again and see, wait for the other cards to come out. Okay, yes, so all the cards are here, and now let's see, okay, what action are they going to take, but let's go on. Let's see the first batch of cards first, and then we'll extend. What are they thinking of you is they are in indecision. Okay, I see you offering them something, or you trying to talk to them and they are not replying you or something like that. It's because there are a lot of people involved in your connection. Okay, so this is the reason why they are very much, or there's lots of problems going on. A lot of people are troubling them. There are a lot of energy vampires in their life, and they feel stuck. Okay, and they are in fear guys. So this is the reason why this person is not approaching you or not talking to you, and this is what they are stuck, is what is there in their mind. Okay, and their family, they are thinking about it a lot. Okay, they are in fear about you, but they see you balanced. Okay, and this makes them feel even more scared about losing you, and them being stuck, and you moving on and being balanced is causing a lot of havoc in their life, because they are feeling like see this guys, there are lots of cards which I want to clear away here. See them, these guys are very stuck and stubborn guys. Okay, they could be twin flames, you could be higher level, whatever you label yourself as, and this person is quite stuck and stubborn, and they have a way of life. Okay, and what you have is, what they think about you is, you are a carefree person, and when they think about you, they think that everyone is going to go against them if they choose you, and even at some point they feel that if they come to you, you are going to be angry at them, and you're going to fight with them or something like that, because they ghosted you, blocked you, and they chose their family over you. So that is a reason why. But if I tell you guys, they are obsessed over you and they want a happy family with you, but there is a reason over here that they are not coming, because they have to leave their responsibilities, and that is not what this person is all about. Okay, this person never leaves responsibilities. So this person is really scared about what is going to happen. We'll see the connecting energies guys. Now let's see what are they feeling for the karmics, if they are with someone already. Okay, so let's move out these cards, and let's keep these in the side so that we can take out more cards. They are Hanged Man, because they want to start a new life. For now, maybe they are separated by their karmics. They are not staying with them, or they are not in communication with them, and they are giving all their time alone. Okay, nor they are talking to you, nor they are talking to them. They are just, because they feel backstabbed, and again Hermit. So this person, trust me guys, they don't want any communication from anybody. They don't want to be disturbed, because they are hurt very badly, and what they think is the karmics have backstabbed them. Okay, they have hurt them. Now the karmics are trying to be very sweet with them, and they are trying to do everything to make this connection work, but this person just doesn't want to talk to anybody. Okay, there are lots of cards over here, so I'll be moving the cards a bit up. So let's see what more comes. I also see this person trying to process their creativity. You know, this person is coming to feminine energy, if that's what you believe in twin flames. This person is, you know, feeling unconditional love towards, they are believing in true love, and they want, you know, to get legal separation before. They are feeling very intuitive, but they are again you know, being with low self-esteem. They are spying on their karmics, and they want to take any action against them. You know, they are collecting the strength, they are healing. So guys, I would show you, they are collecting the strength, they are healing to move into a new life. The first thing that this person was thinking and is thinking about this karmic situation is that they want to walk away. Okay, or they have already partially walked away, and now they are like, now what do I do next? So this is the reason why they are meditating. They are in hermit mode. They don't know what to do, whether they want to separate from this person, they want to end this connection, but they need the strength and power to do it. So this is the reason why, guys, your person is not talking to anybody, and they are very hurt and they are very backstabbed. So they don't want to take a chance, they don't want to communicate. Guys, let's move on and let's see what will they take, you know, what action are they going to take finally. So I'm going to, you know, take the mid line over here, and I'm going to see what are they going to do. Okay, so we will see for whom are they going to take action. So divine spirits, please guide me what action and for whom action they are going to take. Okay, so unrequited love. So the first thing I see is for the karmics, unrequited love. They are going to end this unrequited love if they can. This is what I'm seeing. This is going to be their first action. What is going to be your person's next action? Okay, let your friends help you. So they are going to take guidance from their friends, and they are going to talk about your chemistry with them. Let's see what more action your person is going to take. They are going to you know, choose true love. They are going to flirt with you. They are going to give your relationship a chance, because they are attracted to you, because you are balanced, because you are taking each day as it comes, because you are leading a happy life with your family, and this is making them obsessed towards you. Okay, and they realize whatever it is, this connection is a past life relationship. So guys, I already told you this is a twin flame higher level soulmate connection. So this person is going to release their karmics, because there are two cards which indicate that this person is finally going to leave. Okay, they want a new beginning, and then they feel unrequited love. So, you know, there's not enough chemistry for this connection to work, no ways. So guys, you can be very happy, you can be very positive, and you can be in the same energy which you are. You do not need to stalk them, or you do not need to approach them. If you have approached them in the past and they have not chose you, they have chosen the karmic over you, now they are obsessed by you. Okay guys, because you said, okay, it's okay, fine, if you don't want to choose me, it's great, I'm balanced, I'm in my power, I take you out of my life, I remove all my responsibilities from you, and I'm living my life with my family and happily. That is what the sun card is. It has made them too attracted towards you. So guys, I hope you like this reading. Do tell me about it in the comment section. I would love to read your comments, and see you guys tomorrow again. Till then, bye bye.